Okay, problem 1119. It wants me to evaluate this infinite sum. Certainly the assumption is it's convergent, and we went to the whiteboard, and what we did is we did what's called an nth partial sum. And the way to do an nth partial sum is you're going to do partial fractions to divide the sum into two terms, right? So the nth partial sum goes from 1 to n, where n is some finite number. It turned out to be a telescoping series, and we get what's called the closed form of the sum over here. We can evaluate for any n. Now, of course, we don't want to evaluate for any particular n. We want the n to get large, go to infinity. So we took the limit as n goes to infinity of this over here. This is the closed form, and we got 1/2. Now, of course, I want to check it out in Sage. Let me go back to Sage. I'm going to clear the screen when I do that. Clear. And basically the same thing, reset. And what I mean by reset is get a clean sheet of paper. Define n as a variable. Define the sum end. The sum end is a function of n, and the sum end is n divided by n4 plus n squared plus 1. And then I want to put the sum down. Oops, sorry about that. And the sum, whoops, that's not right. Fn, not to 100 this time, but to infinity. We put the double O down, looks like the infinity symbol. Again, we're hoping it computes it, and it does it quite rapidly, it gives you 1/2. Is that the number we got? It certainly is, so we're good to go. Thank you.